Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to today's English class. Let's start our class. Now in the previous class we started with the chapter quantifiers and this was omitted from your term 1 syllabus, right? Now this was the only chapter left in a textbook. So let's finish this chapter now. Now, in the previous class, we, I explained you the definition of quantifiers, and then I explained you some quantifiers that were many, much, a lot of, few, a little, right? I explained the use of all those quantifiers. So now in today's class, we are going to cover the exercise and the last part of this chapter. Okay, now open page number 36 of your textbook Grammar Gate and let us solve the questions. Now I'm going to solve for you all these four questions only. Okay, the rest of them you have to do it by yourself. So let's start doing the exercise. Now you also write down the answers properly with the pencil in your textbook. He gave me a good advice. So over here you are going to cancel a and what you will write? He gave me good advice. Okay. So you write properly in the book. He gave me good advice. They have lost all the luggages. So over here, instead of all the, what you have to write? They have lost the entire luggage. Okay, they have lost the entire meaning itself again all, right? So they have lost the entire luggage. Can you give me an information? So instead of this the quantifier will come. Can you give me some information? Can you give me some information? Okay. Next, what a hot weather. So instead of what a hot weather, you will cancel a and what you are going to write? What hot weather. The same way, try doing the exercise number 5 to 10 by yourself. Do it with pencil. Okay, and then the answers you can check the PDF which will be forwarded in the group. Okay. Now see page number 37. You have another exercise, that is look at the table below. Write sentences about what Mohan and David eats and drinks using. Okay. Now this is some items are given about what which Mohan and David eats. Okay. You have to use a lot of, much or many in the sentence. Okay, now your space is not there to write sentences. You can write the answers in one paper and keep it on this page. Okay, so here the first one is already done for you. That is, now see, here hint is given that you are having, if three threes you are having, okay, 3 times 3 you are having, it means you have to use a lot of. Okay, see over here. Okay, and if you're having only 1 3, you have to use not much or not many. Understood? So first item is bananas. Who is eating more bananas? Yes, David is eating more bananas, right? So David eats a lot of bananas, but Mohan does not eat many bananas. Now you know a lot of is used for both countable, uncountable. Much is used for uncountable, many is used for countable. Okay, so David eats a lot of bananas, but Mohan doesn't eat many bananas. Next, oranges. Who is eating more oranges? Yes, Mohan is eating more oranges, right? So, Mohan eats a lot of oranges, but David does not eat many oranges. Okay, you can also write the, but Mohan does not eat many. Next, bread. Who is eating more bread? David. So David eats a lot of bread, but Mohan does not eat much. Okay, so these are the three sentences I'm repeating. First answer is David eats a lot of bananas, but Mohan doesn't eat many bananas. Second one, Mohan eats a lot of oranges, but David does not eat many oranges. Third one, bread. David eats a lot of bread, but Mohan doesn't eat much. Meat. Again, much will come. Sweets, many will come. Tea, much will come. And again, for milk, much. Okay, so now you just have to see who is eating more. Okay, if there are 3 times 3, it means a lot of will come for that person. If there's only single 3, then the not much or not many will come for that person. Okay, this is very easy to do. Quantifiers is a very easy chapter. Okay, students, so this is the way you have to complete both the exercises with pencils. Okay, so here we complete the exercises, but you see over there below the B exercise, you have a question, you have a topic, some and any. So here now you are going to study about the use of some and any. Okay, students, we use some and any when we are talking about an unknown quantity. They go with both plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, now over here, some and any, when we are talking about unknown quantity. What is the meaning of unknown quantity? Something that you don't know. Unknown is something that you don't know. Okay, so unknown quantity means जिसकी quantity आपको पता ही नहीं है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Some and any. Next, if it is for plural or uncountable, countable और uncountable दोनों के लिए हम some and any use कर सकते हैं. Okay, now there are some rules where you have to use. Okay, so first one is some is used in positive sentences. So students, in positive sentences, see the examples. Turn the page, all of you, page number 38. See, I want some grapes, please. I want some milk. So some grapes countable, some milk uncountable, and it is their positive sentence. Positive sentence कब होता है? जब आपके sentence में not नहीं होता है, right? So ये positive sentence हुआ. So what did we study? Some is used in a positive sentence. Second one, any is used in negative sentence and in questions. So any is used in a negative sentence. Negative sentence means what? You're having not in a sentence. See, there aren't any grapes at the shop. So aren't, not आया इसमें, so वो क्या हो गया? Negative हो गया. And these are questions asked. So जब questions पूछते हो या negative sentence लिखते हैं, तो हम कौन सा quantify यूज़ करेंगे? हम any यूज़ करेंगे. लेकिन कब यूज़ करते हैं ये सब? जब हमें quantity पता नहीं होती है. Okay, now next, we use some in questions when we expect the answer yes, when we offer, or when we ask for something. So there are 3 things. Now हमने पहले ही रूल पढ़ा था, some is used in a positive sentence. अब यहाँ पे लिखा है some can be used in questions also. ओके, क्वेश्चंस के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? क्वेश्चंस एंड नेगेटिव के लिए एनी. लेकिन सम भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कब यूज़ करेंगे हम? जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि सामने वाला हमें हाँ बोलेगा, तब हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? सम यूज़ करेंगे. व्हेन वी एक्सपेक्ट द आंसर टू बी यस. ओके, अब आप देख रहे हो आपके सामने कोई पानी पी रहा है. व्हाट विल यू आस्क? यू वांट वाटर, एंड इफ यू नो द पर्सन इज हैविंग वाटर, आपने देखा, तो आप क्या पूछोगे? कैन आई हैव सम वाटर? आपको पता है, आपको एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि वो सामने से हाँ बोलेगा क्योंकि उसके पास पानी है. सो व्हेन यू एक्सपेक्ट द आंसर यस, व्हेन वी ऑफर, अब हम कोई आता है तो हम कुछ ऑफर करते हैं ना. डू यू वांट सम टी? डू यू वांट सम वाटर? ओके, सो ये क्या हो गया? ऑफर हो गया. द नेक्स्ट, व्हेन वी आस्क फॉर समथिंग, जब हम कुछ पूछते हैं, तब हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? सम. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? See, did you buy some stamps? Its expectation is yes. Would you like some tea? Offer. Can you lend me some CDs? Request. So for these 3, you can use some in the question. Okay, students? Now come to the next one. Nouns can be dropped after some and any if the meaning is clear. Okay. Nouns can be dropped. Dropped means हमने अभी तक देखा कि जब हम सम एनी मच वो सब यूज़ करते हैं उसके बाद हम नाउन लिखते हैं. नाउन मतलब जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, राइट? सो सी आई हैव गॉट टू मैनी टोमेटोज. अब हम पहले सेंटेंस में किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? टू मैनी टोमेटोज विच इज़ द नाउन ओवर हियर, टोमेटोज, राइट? सो हमने मैनी के बाद टोमेटोज यूज़ कर लिया है. वुड यू लाइक सम क्वेश्चन मार्क. अब सम के बाद टोमेटो नहीं लिखा है. क्यों नहीं लिखा? बिकॉज द नाउन इज ऑलरेडी मैंशनड इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द सेंटेंस, ड्यू टू विच इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर यू टू राइट द नाउन अगेन एंड अगेन. Okay, if I say Rahul is coming, Rahul will come and cook, Rahul will serve the food. Every sentence I'm going to speak, I'm not going to use Rahul, right? The same way over here, it is the noun is already mentioned in the first half of the sentence, due to which no need to use it in the second half. See, let's buy some flowers. Up some flowers बात हो गई यहाँ पे. We haven't got any in the garden now. अब any के बाद flowers नहीं लिखा है. क्यों नहीं लिखा है? Because it's already mentioned over here. Let's buy some flowers. अगर ये चलो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ये होता ही नहीं, सिर्फ ये होता, तो फिर हमको एनी के बाद फ्लावर लिखना पड़ता. ओके, लेकिन it's already mentioned in the first half of the sentence, due to which you don't have to write it again. Okay, so if something like this is there, after the quantifier you can omit writing the nouns. Is it understood? So here we complete with the chapter quantifiers. We studied the use of some, any, much, a little, a few. Okay, now these are very important because we use it in our daily life, right? Many a times we use the quantifier some, many a times we used any, right? I don't have any book. See, you used any, right? And it is a negative sentence, isn't it? I don't have, right? So it is, we use it in our daily language also. So the use of quantifier should be clear to you, and I hope you understood the chapter well. Okay, so we complete over here the grammar gate also. Okay, so we completed all the syllabus down over here. If you still have a doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and yes, do check your answers with the PDF which will be forwarded in the group, or sahi answers likhna book mein. Okay, see you soon with the next topic and the next video.